Hi, welcome to the Central Perk Warner Brothers studio video.
Central Perk Cafe. Here we are with the Joey special. 2 personal cheese pizzas. A Central Perk cupcake. Here we are at Monica and Rachel's kitchen. Monica and Rachel's living room. Monica and Rachel's front door.
Like a couple at each table.
Yeah. Going into Central Perk. In the background is Central Perk. Some of the merch they sell in the store. In Chandler and Joey's apartment. I was so sad to hear about Matthew Perry's passing.
I really enjoyed going to Central Perk Cafe at the Warner Brothers studio tour. They had the theme places from Friends, they had Central Perk, they had Joey and Chandler's reclining chairs and their foosball table. They had Monica and Rachel's living room and kitchen. They didn't have Phoebe's or Ross's apartments at all. And you could eat in Central Perk or Monica and Rachel's kitchen. Definitely check it out if you're a fan of the TV show Friends.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.